So we recently had a client whose business partner brought them a quote from an environmental consultant, and that consultant was promising to take care of all the environmental issues at the business for a very surprising price. Meaning it wasn't just that they were going to evaluate the situation, but they would take care of all the cleanup. And that price was a huge red flag to me. So I knew there was no way they were on the same page. I looked at the quote and the scope of work, and I realized that the consultant was only looking at the building, things like asbestos and lead paint. And these are important issues, but this was not anything to do with whether the property itself had any problems. No examination of groundwater, hazardous substance, air, soil, and it certainly was not going to remediate everything that was there. And the whole reason I was there was to help the client understand the risks associated with this business. So the lesson today is that environmental does not always mean environmental. And here there was a huge difference, because depending on the situation, what's in the ground can sometimes be more important than what's inside the walls. So my takeaway is this: before you hire an environmental consultant, make sure you know exactly what kind of work they're doing and whether it matches the issues that you really need solved. Because that one check can save you from a lot of confusion, misunderstandings, and a lot of legal risk down the line.